Drowning in time tracking apps? Let's untangle the mess in 2 minutes. Let's start here. Are you tracking time to bill clients, stay on budget, measure team output, or just make payroll easier? Your why determines the kind of tool you actually need. Manual trackers are great for trusted teams and flexible schedules. They're simple and respectful, but they rely on people remembering to log time. If your team's disciplined, this works beautifully. Automatic tools log everything in the background, which is useful if you work solo, but they don't show what task you were doing, only what apps you used. It's detailed, but often too shallow for team-wide insights. Some tools take screenshots and monitor activity to prove you are working. They're common in freelance platforms or outsourced teams, but they can damage trust and feel more like surveillance than support. Once you track time, what happens next? Do you need to see who's working on what in real time? Or just build a custom report at the end of the month? Will you export that data into payroll, invoicing, or BI tools? Tracking is just step one. The real value is in what you do with the data. Now that you know the why, the how, and the what for, let's talk extras. Look at the screen. What would you find useful? By now, you hopefully have a clear picture of what you need. So how do you find the perfect fit? Start a free trial. Go through your checklist. Try real scenarios. You can start with Actitime. Chances are, it has everything you're looking for. And if not, we've got you covered. Check out our curated list of top tools. Link in the description.